This is the GKS Lumios Kids Electric Scooter by Gotrax. They sent this over for us to check out. Let me show you how it works.
Hi, Dad. Bye, Dad.
Hey, this is my video. I guess it is a kid's scooter. As you can see, she actually enjoys it, and she couldn't sit around in this video to wait for me to finish running my mouth to go ride the scooter, so she came and took it. This thing is well constructed. The deck is ultra wide. It has a rubberized texture to prevent slippage. It has a nice, beautiful powder coat on it. Handlebar height, which gives us 3 different heights for your shorter riders, medium-sized, and then for your taller riders. And just lock it in right here like this. It has an illuminated front wheel. You just turn the power on. We're in direct sunlight, and you can see this. The other scooters we have, if we're in direct sunlight, you cannot see the lights on them at all. Now, this thing also has a 150-watt motor, which is more than enough power to move your little rider along. For those of you that are worried about it taking off with your kid if they push the throttle, that's not an issue. Watch this. Push the throttle, but don't push off.
Okay.
Push the throttle. Is it going anywhere? No, it's not going. The reason why is they've built in a safety feature to where they have to push the scooter up to 3 miles an hour before the electric motor will kick in. Okay, show them how it's done. You hear the little beep, that means it got up to speed enough for the electric motor to take over. It has a top speed of about 7.5 miles an hour with a range of a little over 6 miles. You have your throttle on the top. This has a 2 braking system. It has the traditional foot brake like most other scooters, but it also has an e-brake on the handlebars. We're gonna show you how well the e-brake works. All right, show them how to stop it. That was the e-brake. She didn't use the foot brake. One of my favorite things about this as a parent, though, is the kickstand. All these other scooters we have don't have kickstands on them, so they're just laying around my garage and taking up extra space they don't need to, and they're in the way a lot. This, my daughter rides it in, puts it on the kickstand and walks off. It's parked in a nice spot that I don't have to worry about tripping over it.